Every energy transition begins with infrastructure, engineering, and execution. For over a decade, the Advait Group has contributed to critical energy infrastructure across India and global markets. With a track record spanning hundreds of projects across multiple countries, Advait has built deep capabilities in engineering, project execution, and large-scale energy systems. Building on this foundation, Advait Greenergy Private Limited (AGPL) was established to accelerate the next phase of clean energy infrastructure. AGPL focuses on 4 strategic clean energy domains: green hydrogen, solar EPC, battery energy storage systems, fuel cell technologies. From engineering design to manufacturing capability, AGPL is building the foundation of India's green hydrogen ecosystem. Today, that vision is becoming operational reality. AGPL has established one of India's first 30-megawatt electrolyzer assembly line designed for scalable expansion. AGPL has already executed one of India's first operational hydrogen microgrid systems for THDC India Limited in Rishikesh. The project integrates a 300-kilowatt alkaline electrolyzer with hydrogen storage and a 70-kilowatt PEM fuel cell system, demonstrating hydrogen-to-power capability. AGPL is also executing a 1-megawatt industrial green hydrogen project for KPI Green Hydrogen Private Limited in Matar, Gujarat. The project will supply green hydrogen for industrial galvanization processes and is currently under commissioning. In solar EPC, AGPL has commissioned a 30-megawatt solar project at Khavda, Gujarat for KPI Green Energy Limited under Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. The company is also executing additional solar capacity within the Khavda Renewable Energy Zone, including 67.5 megawatts peak allocated under the Coal India Renewable Program, alongside a 100 megawatts peak solar project associated with Adani Green Energy Limited in the same renewable energy hub. AGPL is also developing large-scale battery energy storage systems to support renewable integration and grid stability. This includes a 50 megawatt-hours to 100 megawatt-hours standalone battery energy storage project connected to the 220 kilovolt Radhanpur substation for Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. Further strengthening its position in energy storage infrastructure, AGPL has also emerged as the L1 bidder for a 150 megawatt-hours to 300 megawatt-hours battery energy storage system project from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. AGPL is also establishing automated battery manufacturing capabilities. Phase 1 capacity: 2.5 gigawatt-hours battery manufacturing, target 2026. Advait Greenergy is building the infrastructure that will power the next generation of global clean energy systems. Advait Greenergy Private Limited, a part of Advait Energy Transitions Limited, enabling the future of clean energy infrastructure.